Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, and a lot of people are saying this is like one of the main like this hot shot casting kind of thing for this particular case. I think this is from C case, I guess. Because again, I'm saying this, guys. I bought from a lot of shops from a lot of different boxes. I do have one Dodge. I don't remember what Dodge it is. It is a truck. I never even heard about that truck till now. Until I saw that casting, it was lying around in a bin. In a very small grocery shop. So even though I bought it for MRP, but still, it is a very old casting. I think 2017 or 2018 casting that looked really beautiful. So I immediately bought it. Okay, so let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I'm just really when I did this prelude video, I was showing you guys that it doesn't have any headlight details or anything. So I'm really ready to get disappointed now. But only thing which is keeping me a little bit happy is the color scheme and everything, the paint job, specifically. So let's see how this actually looks. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks good. So it has very minor scratches on the windshield. The interior looks really nice. The hood detail looks really nice. But again, sadly, there are no headlight details. The logo is embossed, as you can see here. Okay, they have this Shelby and Hotwheels and all these things on the side. Oh my god, who really asked for this, man? Just put some headlights there. It is really frustrating at this point. Okay, there are no tail light details either. Seriously. And honestly, I really want to unbox this good castings on Saturday so that you guys will be having more time to spend on these videos to go through it very slowly or take some time. But it is really disappointing to see, I'm unboxing these kind of shitty detailed castings, for you guys to see on Saturday. I really wish I could have just went with Seiko unboxing. Okay. Honestly, there is nothing much to say. Okay, the body is fully metal and the spoiler is also metal. The chassis is plastic. Not much of a chassis detailing here. A little bit, which is okay. But nothing much, honestly. It has rear view mirrors, which is fine. The rims are not really that special. It looks totally stupid for this particular casting. There are a lot of really good, wheels in Hot Wheels. I really don't know why they picked this particular wheels for a muscle car. Really. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay. Okay, 35 grams. Not bad. Okay, at least let's see if this rolls really well. I really want to do some kind of arrangement for this track set here. It is stable. Okay, it does have wheel wobble on the front wheel. Okay, rear wheel also wobbles a little bit, but it still reaches closer to the end. Honestly, compared to even the Cupra and also even the Chevy, this one rolls really well, but it has wheel wobble and a lot of noise. So like the only positive thing about this casting is it's a solid casting and it rolls well compared to others. But my personal suggestion would be, if you guys get this car and if you really want to swap wheels, this would be the right car, because I don't think this wheels does any justification for this particular casting. So a little bit of headlight details and tail light details here and specific different rim set. This is going to be a beautiful casting, but as of now, for the price we are paying, this is not really good. That's all I can say. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.